God, it feels so good to be back. What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard, and on this channel I unbox and review everyday tech, gadgets, and accessories for you. And in today's video we have the first flagship of 2021, and it is the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G. Let me break down the specs real quick. It has a 6.8-inch Quad HD display at 120 Hertz, and yes, 120 Hertz can be utilized in full resolution, so you are going to get that smoothness at Quad HD. It has a 108 megapixel wide, a 10 megapixel periscope telephoto, a 10 megapixel telephoto, and a 12 megapixel ultra wide as your full camera array in the rear. And in the front, it does have a 40 megapixel, which is 40 megapixel is a lot. It's a lot. You do have two variants. You can get it in a 12 gigabytes of RAM or 16 gigabytes of RAM, depending on what storage you get. So if you get the 128 gigabytes, 256 gigabytes, you are going to get 12 gigs of RAM. If you go for the big boy, the 512 gigabytes, you're going to get 16 gigabytes of RAM. I, of course, went with 128 gigabytes, so I do have 12 gigabytes of RAM, which I think is enough for my use on this device. And we do have a 5,000 milliamp hour battery. Now, powering this bad boy is, if you have the American version, a Qualcomm Snapdragon 888, and if you have the international version, obviously you're going to have the Exynos 2100 chipset. It does have Android 11, and it is running One UI 3.1 straight out of the box. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this. Now, take a quick look at the packaging here. You see anything different, anything at all? Let me know in the comment sections below if you notice that this box is thin, and that can only mean one thing. And I'm very disappointed with Samsung by doing this, because we're supposed to be leaders, not followers. And inside the box we have a Samsung pamphlet. We have the phone itself looking good. We have our charging cable, which is Type-C to Type-C, and nothing else is in the box. Not even a charger, no headset, nothing. What the hell, man? Nothing. They straight up copied Apple and went and eliminated your charging brick, and no headphones, nothing at all, which is pretty disappointing. But enough of that. Let's take a quick look at the device here, and it feels nice in hand. Let's go ahead and peel this. Oh, look at this black. Looks pretty cool. Ooh, look at that. My first initial impressions is this thing looks good. Actually, I didn't think I was gonna like that camera design there, and I actually digging it. I like how they went matte. It feels nice and cold to the touch. Got some heft to it, so it feels very solid, which it should, because it's a very premium device. And you got about a 5,000 milliamp hour battery. On the right side of the phone, you are going to have your power button and your volume rocker on the top of the phone. It looks like you'd have two mics there on top, and on the right side of the phone you have absolutely nothing. On the bottom of the phone you do have your SIM tray, Type-C power port, and your speaker, and that's about it. And those cameras on the back, that hump doesn't look too bad as it did before. and I kind of loving this device. I kind of like this design of this phone. Let's go ahead and power this bad boy on and see what boot up screen we are greeted with. This was just a quick unboxing. I'm gonna go ahead and set this bad boy up. Make sure you subscribe if you're new to the channel. I am gonna put this against the Note 20, the S20 FE, and the A71 to see if it is worth paying the extra money for this bad boy here. Again, thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.